So we all took a turn on the 18th hole.
This is typical
Quinn.
What would it? Oh, ho!
Welcome back to What the FLX podcast. They finally let me back on the show.
It's they.
Well, there's multiple of you. But we're back for another episode. But I want to start out by pointing out my mug.
Oh.
So my mug this week is handcrafted by my son.
Oh. Which son? You don't have to say their names if you don't want to.
My eldest.
Eldest. Nice.
But isn't it beautiful? We got some purple paint on this side, some red, and then look at this.
Recent? Oh.
He painted the bottom. So,
smart.
Have you ever had a mug that the bottom was painted?
No.
He didn't. You haven't.
It usually has...
I almost just spilled the coffee.
The bottom usually has the sticker you can't get off and wash on multiple times. And it's like godforsaken
Correct.
nightmare.
So that's a precious mug to me.
Oh. Well, I got Batman.
Batman? That's generic.
Yeah, well, he is the Caped Crusader. Big Batman fan over here.
Anyways, let's get into something interesting. So last fall, you and I got to visit Heron Hill for their harvest season.
We've gotten to visit them for
many things.
We got good behind the scenes of their stuff.
But it's really neat. Like, so, in this season, in the fall season, grape harvesting starts anywhere from late August to like November, I think, even into December, I think, for ice wines. Oh, sure. But it was really cool to be there when they're actually doing the process and stuff. So like, we've been there many times, drank their wines, delicious. We got to meet up with the winemaker and he took us around and stuff while they were harvesting and stuff. So it was just a really cool experience. Don't leave this in. I got an itch.
Hey, sometimes you got that itch and you need to scratch it.
I was trying to avoid it, but I couldn't.
I can't promise I won't cut that out.
But anyway, so in the Finger Lakes, we have amazing wines, but one of the coolest things in harvest season is when you actually like pull into a parking lot and you open your door, you can actually like smell the grapes a little.
Oh, sure.
I don't know if you've ever smelled that, but in that harvest season, they're all ripe. They're very sweet. The sugar content's like really high, I guess. And then it's actually like in the air, and when they're crushing and everything, you can have that smell of a sweet grape in the air sometimes. It's really unique and stuff. So, at Heron Hill, when we were there, they were picking and they were crushing, and it kind of like had that scent, and that's probably where most of it was coming from. But
yeah, and because we got there relatively early, but the people who were picking, because they were doing it manually that year, they have the machinery as well. Yeah, but I guess it depends on how much work it is. Maybe
manual,
I'm not sure.
I think they can kind of like, as they're hand picking, they can sort out any bad grapes and stuff. So the wine can actually be a little more crafted to what the winemaker wants it to be in quality-wise or sugar content-wise, where the machinery is really for like the bigger production stuff, I think, to mass produce, like, so they have to quickly pick them. But
I'm learning you know a lot more about wine than I thought you did.
Yeah. I've been doing this for a while. I don't know all
so you've been to a few wineries.
I don't know all the science necessarily behind it, but I do know the general process.
It is crazy though, because there is a science to it that like it does seem more like chemistry than it does like farming.
I know like the steps.
Yeah.
Right. That's about it. Like I know like what they do, but I can't explain what the chemical processes
100%.
are, or I like fermentation. I understand, but to what level?
Yeah. I know the word.
Do you know the word tannins?
I know tannins.
Okay. You got that one down.
I know tannins, but I know nothing about tannins.
Neither do I. So,
but you know what was the most impressive was watching the people harvest the grapes from the fence line because or from the vines, I should say, because they were moving so fast. Like they've done this before. Oh yeah. And I think I don't think we have it on camera, but we had you try to grab a couple of grapes and everything, and I feel like you were not keeping up.
Oh no.
With those people, like, and also like they have to get down so low. I like got down low just to film. My back.
Well,
hurt so bad after that.
They were harvesting Riesling.
Yes.
And it was like even just that one vineyard, like that one front vineyard, And I think the winemaker said, or the vineyard manager said, like, it only takes them like an hour and a half.
I don't understand.
To do it. And I'm looking across this field of like hundreds of rows, I feel like. Not hundreds, but like there's probably like 30 rows of grapes in this field.
At least.
And I'm just watching them, and the buckets coming out of there full of grapes, like left and right, and they drive a tractor down through just to pick them up, and they're just stacking. It's like, holy crap.
And then they go up to closer to the main building where they have the presser, the crusher, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. And they've come from those, those little tiny baskets that they're dropping it into. Yeah. They're now in the big crates. And then you get the forklifts bringing that was fun to watch. But it was really cool to see it go through all the machinery. Because it goes to that, and it separates out the stems and everything, all the gunk into one section, and then all the juice, I would say, goes into this through these like hoses that you could see through. So I'm like following the liquid go through these hoses, and then it goes to this like spinny drippy thing.
I was waiting to see if that's what he called it.
That's what I've only ever called it, because it spins, it drips, and then from there the crushed juiced wine that's after it's spun. It will then go into another hose and go into the vats and the tanks and things,
stainless steel tanks,
or barrels, depending if they're using barrels. But I believe they were using tanks at the time.
Yep,
the stainless steel tanks. But that's just what I gotta say. That's what I love about our job, is that we really get to see, like, in different industries, like the behind the scenes look to things, and just really like, it's like how things are made and how things are done that the general public never gets to see. We get to share that. Yeah, with people.
I mean, if you were there, tasting at the winery, you could have like looked down and kind of seen some of it happening, but you don't always know exactly what's happening. And we had that insight from the winemaker and some of the workers actually doing the job, that it's just interesting to see their passion for their careers and their work they do and the great wine they produce. So then, I mean, everybody thinks it's just this simple process, but it takes all year round. And when it gets to the harvest season, there's actually days where like the winemaker will go to the field and he'll check the grape on a daily basis to make sure that it's like the perfect sweetness, the perfect juiciness.
It's that sugar level, right?
It's a sugar level. Yeah. Yep. And then the science comes into the fermentation tanks after it's all crushed, that it ages at different levels. And then they have to clarify the wine, and then they start tasting. So it's a huge process, but luckily for us, we can go in and just order a glass of wine and it's ready to go.
That's right.
And I love it.
Do you have a particular favorite wine over
Riesling.
There? Just the Riesling?
100%.
So literally what they were making when we were there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then the Finger Lakes is very well known for the Riesling grapes. And it ranges from, like, you can get a super sweet Riesling, you can get a dry Riesling. Like, there's a wide variety of Rieslings that kind of fit everybody's palate a little. But so I want to end this segment on this.
Okay.
What happens to a grape when you step on it?
What happens to a grape when you step on it? I don't know. What?
Lets out a little wine.
Craig is in his dad joke era.
I love it.
And
oh, you weren't expecting that one,
I
were
wasn't.
you?
I wasn't.
Oh, that's a good one. I'm crying a little. Oh, anywho.
Oh my gosh.
So, on top of wine, which we all love, we also recently went to Park Ave Sports Center for a little fun with the team.
Yeah, we needed to take a break.
Yeah. Be a little not so serious.
Yeah.
But played some putt-putt. I think the whole team except Dave went.
Sorry,
Dave. He was invited.
Yeah, he was. Yeah, we didn't leave him out.
He was invited. But we went as a team, and then my family was able to join us, and Kevin's family was able to join us. And
the whole crew.
It was just a fun day playing putt-putt. They have an 18-hole course. They have batting cages. They have a water wars kind of slingshot water balloon thing that kids love.
I've never seen anything like that before.
It's unique. So it's a fun place for the family, but the best part of the other day was we tried to do a hole-in-one challenge. So we all took a turn on the 18th hole.
This is typical
Quinn.
What would it? Oh, no. We're not placing the blame on the cameraman, okay?
Quinn.
No. We got Mr. Impatient over here. You go ahead. Go ahead. I'll defend myself.
We all took a shot to see if we could get a hole one. He was trying to film it from the position of the hole.
Yep.
All the way down. It's a very long hole. So we all took our turns. We couldn't get it. We just aren't that good. So I decided to try it a couple more times to see if I could get it. And maybe the third time, I sunk the hole one from 25 feet. Guess what? He didn't hit record. So we missed it. We didn't get it on video. So now I have no proof that I actually got it, except for the other 17 people that were there that saw it.
There were witnesses. But to be honest, though, I went back and checked. I got it going in the hole.
Yes. Whoa.
You wanna wait till I say go?
But I just don't have it from when you hit the ball, so we can't prove it was you.
But I was standing there.
But you were clearly standing there, so it's pretty clear that you did it. But did we fake it? No, we didn't fake it. We did not fake it. No.
No, I'll probably never get a hole one on that hole again either. But
we'll see.
I don't know.
We might try again.
It was fun.
It was fun because we gotta go back again just because it's just a nice place to.
They have laser tag too.
Oh yeah, we've done that
we
before.
didn't do this time. But
no,
we
have done it before.
But it's intense. You're out there. You got headphones. Was it headphones or ears? Something on? Because
you
can hear it's bombing or something.
You have this these sensors on your head. That's what you aim for with the gun.
Yeah. But then there'll be an air raids coming in and you'll hear planes, then boom, explosions, stuff. Yeah. And then you have to search the course for ammunition and stuff for your guns. It's very interactive.
It's very strange.
Totally awesome. It's really fun.
But they got towers and everything. We were up in the towers and it was really fun to do. At first I was filming it and then it was let's just play around.
Yeah. Quinn didn't want to film. He wanted to play.
I wanted to play so bad.
I wouldn't mind going back again. That was a good time.
No, it is a good time. It's a lot to do there. I mean, what is great though is that even no matter what you do there, laser tag, water wars, or whatever they call it,
I think it's
water wars, or even mini golf, even on a hot day, they got some nice ice cream in there you can cool down with after, a place to chill with the family, and settle in. And yeah, I think you mentioned it, but even if you're just a regular golfer too, and you need a place to practice your swing, they got the driving range. Yeah, so even though everybody kind of, all the kids at least had ice cream and all that when we were finishing up with the mini golf, I didn't have any ice cream because I wanted to. It was close to lunchtime, so
important.
Well, as you know on this podcast. We have things to talk about when it comes to food. So let's just segment over to lunchtime.
All right. Let's go. All right. We're back.
Oh, my gosh.
So one of my favorite places in town is Casa Mezcal. How many times have you been there? Because I've been
twice
there
now. Once with work, once with a couple of friends.
I've been there half a dozen, probably.
Yeah.
Maybe a little more. But delicious.
I've only ever been to the Corning location, but there's two. 3 or 4?
There's 3 right now.
3, that's right.
Yeah, but the ones that we go to, the one is in Bath, and the other one's in Painted Post, technically. I believe, or Gang Mills. Right outside
just outside of Corning.
Yep. Delicious Mexican food. Authentic. Phenomenal. Tasty.
When I went there
delicious.
When I went there with friends, my friend said to me, he goes, I brought people who were from Mexico here, and he said that this is the most authentic Mexican food that they've had in around the area.
Yeah. And us Americans, we like the chips. Right off the bat.
Oh yeah.
We sit there and just eat the chips.
And then you're so full by the time my burrito comes in.
I know. It's do you want more chips? Yes. Even though I can't finish my burrito.
Yeah. Do you have a go-to food item though?
I have 2. So I have, there is Tacos El Pastor, which is just some corn tacos with, I believe it's pulled pork or chunked pork or something. Cilantro, all the goods on top. It's delicious. And then I like their fajitas. Top notch. Do you not like those?
No, I do. I have to look at my phone because I
You
don't know
remember what you got?
I don't know what it's called. It's a burrito. Okay, it's under burritos. No, I got it here. It is the burrito Santa Fe.
Ooh.
Which I'll just read it to you. It's stuffed with grilled chicken, steak, rice, beans, crispy tortilla strips, and grilled onions, smothered with cheesy guajillo sauce.
Whoa.
Guajillo?
Don't know.
It's a Spanish word. It's not my native tongue. And it's garnished with sour cream, cilantro, corn, and black beans. It's a pretty dang good burrito. And that cheese is so melted and stuff. It just like soaks into the wrap. You're just like,
Delicious.
I don't know what that was. I'm so sorry.
And then maybe some fried ice cream to follow up.
Ooh, fried ice cream?
Or churros.
Oh, churros are good. But what's fried ice cream? I've never heard of that
ice cream
before.
That's fried.
How does one fry ice cream? Because ice cream melts.
I don't know.
And frying requires heat.
I don't really know.
Is it just a soup?
No. It's like a scoop of ice cream that's fried.
I think this means something.
Are we going?
We have to go now. We have to go.
You're terrible.
Hey, it's for content.
We sit at work and it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. He's like, you know what I'm thinking? And we instantly know. It's like, well, can't wait for that clock to hit 11 to go to lunch. So, anyways,
after 3 years,
check out Casa Mezcal and we might see you there. That's it.
I think that's
fine.
We got to pass it on to Dave, though.
Cut. Dave. Stay groovy.